Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I wanted to share another project for my Crafty Boutique, and this time around I did not use the digital papers. I basically used some of the die cuts, and this is just such a gorgeous kit, and Louisa did such a great job. It is a downloadable file called Haunted Night, in case you haven't seen it, and you get 16 designs altogether with ephemeras that you can print and cut, and some journaling cards. And you guys know I've been crazy making lots of memory decks cards, and so how can I not use this collection to create a memory deck? So I did create a couple, and I thought I'd go ahead and share that with you guys. So the first memory decks card I made is this one right here. It is a haunted house. This is one of the die cuts, and I enlarged it. I sized it about over 4 inches wide. So like almost 4.5 inches wide, and the height is about 4 7/8, so almost 5 inches. And as a background, I actually put it on this fun spiderweb rosette from my stash, and I layered the die cuts, and I made this into a shaker, and I did back it up with some 100-pound cardstock just to make it nice and sturdy. And I used my tool, because I'm just loving using tool right now, this black mesh tool, and then I just mixed some sequins. I didn't want to put too much in there. I didn't want to put too much color. I wanted to look spooky, so I kind of went for a darker look. And then this die cut right here, again, is using her cut file, and I love this. I made a bunch of, I had made some pink ones, I had made some black spider webs, and now I made lots of these, and these are about 3 inches. So again, you can make your own little spider web die cuts with her cut file included in this downloadable file. And I just added a spider. I actually had a spider ephemera, but for the life of me I couldn't find it. And so I ended up just using a spider sticker from Michael's, I think. And then I do have a bat up there. I don't know if you can see that because it is pretty dark. I have this rose with an eyeball, so it looks super creepy up there. And again, it's all stitched. And that's it. And I wanted to make it, you know, nice and chunky. And I love the way that looks. So there's my first memory decks card. And to create the holes over here, I did use my Heidi Swap. I finally found it. I've been going crazy looking for this. So you can basically make anything a memory decks card. All you need to do is punch in at the bottom and make sure that, you know, this part that you're punching out is nice and, you know, straight and flat. So it goes right in there and you just center it. So that's what I did. So isn't that fun? I just love it. And then I went ahead and enlarged another die cut, and I didn't make it too big. And here's my next one. So it's a tombstone. I did use a tombstone die for the base, just because I just wanted it to be super sturdy and layered. And so this has actually 3 layers, and they have foam in between. And I just wanted to make it, again, super spooky and dark this time, so it's not a cutesy one. Again, I used that purple web, and there's a spider die cut, or I print and cut it with this file. And then here's another bat. And then these creepy hands, I thought they were so cool. So what I did was I just shaped them with my bone folder so that they would curl a little bit. And so it looked like it's, you know, kind of grabbing the tombstone like that. And so I have one here and I have one here. And then the RIP and this cross and the tombstone, I've shared that die with you guys before. It's a Chaos Craft die. Let me see if I have it right here. It's this one right here, which I'm absolutely loving, but I only used just the base basically, and then the RIP and the cross. And this next layer right here, I just hand cut that one, and I distressed it and I inked it. Everything's inked pretty much, and I even stitched it, and I don't know if you can see that. And there's actually tulle on top of it. You can barely see it peeking through right here. And I just wanted to, you know, just again make this dimensional and put another layer. And then the paper I use is not from her collection, but it's the one I use for my junk journal, in case you guys haven't seen that one. It's that paper from Michaels that looks very vintage. And again, I stitched it. I put a layer of tulle on there just to make it a shaker. It doesn't shake that much because I put the cross and then the RIP, so that kind of took up space, but that's okay. I don't mind that they're kind of stuck there. But it does shake a little bit. And then I did put another ephemera here, which is a witch, I don't know, it's some kind of potion or something. And then what else? I thought there was something else I put over here. And when I glued the spider on, some of the some of the glue looked like web. And so I kept pulling, I kept making more webs, so that's what that is. It's actually hot glue. I thought that looked really creepy and fun, and I didn't do too much of it, just a little bit. Just where the spider's at. And that's it. That is my 2 Memory Decks cards for my Crafty Boutique. I hope you guys liked it, and leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, let me know. I love reading your comments, and I hope you guys are keeping up with our Memory Decks card series, which is Halloween themed. So yeah, it's fun. Oh, you know what I forgot to share also is that the bones, there are bones over here, so it is kind of hard to see because it's kind of dark. But yes, I know there was something else that I forgot to mention, but that's just another ephemera that you can print and cut along with this file. All right, so just noticed that. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.